Today, I'm going to show you how to fix this. It pops out of the socket. What do? Well, I'll tell you what you do. You get this little product right here that goes around it and holds it in place. So what you're going to do is knock out these two screws. These are both the Torx 25, and let's get those rolling. Knock out these two guys right here, Torx 25. This kit actually comes with a little hand Allen, which is kind of nice. It's like a Allen slash Phillips head, just in case you don't have a screwdriver. And as you can see, it's a very simple product. All you're doing is just hooping it in, kind of holding it in place. Looks like one side's flatter than the other. It comes with two of the same. I'm guessing you hook it from the back and use the flat side where the visor is so it doesn't interfere. Get this started, I am going to use a screwdriver. This kit comes with 4 new screws because you're going to need longer ones because of the adapter. Let's just grab one screw, and I'm going to start the outer one first just because that'll make life a lot more easy peasy. A good note to make too is this thing is recessed, so your screw actually sits below flush, which is kind of nice. You don't want to push that in as best as you can. All right, got that in nice and firm. Make sure this one's in nice and firm, nice and tight. All right, let's give it a test now. All right, nice sunny day. La-da-da. Flip down the visor, pop it off. Look at that. Doesn't go anywhere. Look, I'm pulling on that thing. It's not going nowhere. All right, let's get the other side done. All right, much like the other side, this one also is popped out. Something I found, at least in this particular case, it works much better if the hoop is like open towards the passengers and the closed part's towards the windshield. But there you go. She's holding nice and strong, good to go.